I don't know where you're watching this video from, but right here in Abuja, Nigeria, where I am currently filming from, the cost of skincare has been alarming. Yes, the price has been climbing up daily, weekly, and even monthly. And for a lot of people, whether you're just starting skincare or you have been into the skincare for a long time, we are all looking for affordable skincare products that we can use to get that glow, maintain that glow without breaking the bank. Okay, and I am here to tell you, my darlings, that it is very, very possible. I am going to be sharing with you skincare products that you can use to maintain that glow, that you can use to get that glow from your head down to your toes. Hi bestie, thank you for clicking into this video to watch it. My name is Shuga and I am filming from Abuja, Nigeria. Please hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family if you have not already. Turn on the bell notification so that you will get notified whenever a new video comes up on this channel every single week. Now we're going to be starting from the very top, okay, down to your toe. And honestly, the very first thing I am going to say is this, okay? If you've been watching my other videos, okay, and you're not new to this channel, you probably already know this, okay? The very first thing you want to do when you go into the bathroom to take your bath, because that is literally where your skincare starts from, the first thing you want to grab is a toothpaste and a toothbrush to brush your teeth. Now you can be using any product. I'm currently using this Colgate Maximum Cavity Protection toothpaste. Okay, I'm not, you know, a loyal fan when it comes to toothpaste. I use any toothpaste that my spirit asks me to pick on the shelf whenever I go shopping. So you can use any toothpaste of your choice. And the reason why you need to start by brushing your teeth first is because after brushing your teeth, no matter how well you rinse out, okay, the toothpaste and everything from your mouth, there are going to be, you know, little residues that are going to rest on your lips and probably other parts of your face or your body. And you can wash this off when you take your bath or you now eventually wash your face. So always brush your teeth first whenever you go into the bathroom. And now, following up on that, the next thing you want to do is to shave. And this is what I use. You use this to shave your face, you use it to shave your local government area. You use it to shave your armpits. For some people who have, you know, hairs on their body, like their hands and their legs, you can also use this to shave after wetting your skin first, of course. A lot of other people use also this clip. I'm going to get a picture for you to see. You can use any of these. Honestly, no matter what you do on your skin, if you have ingrown hairs, okay, or hairs on your face, it could actually block some of the products from getting into your skin, and it also increases your chances of having clogged pores on your skin. Anytime you shave your face, watch your face within the next 3 days while you're using your skincare product, you're going to notice a drastic change, no matter how good those particular skincare products have been serving you. Now that we are done with this, after shaving, you know, you rinse off the hairs that you've shaved off with warm water, lukewarm water, or even cold water, whichever rocks your body. The next product that you need to grab is your body soap. Okay, it can be a liquid soap, of course. It can be your body wash, your shower gel, whichever it is that you're using. This is what I am currently using, the Medix 5 vitamin C and turmeric firming and brightening soap. Now, following on with that, okay, but after toweling your body dry, if you have shaved your local government area, okay, or you know that you usually experience bumps maybe in your armpit after shaving, not on your face, please, not on your face. Sugar did not send you that one, no. But if you know you always experience bumps, as soon as you're done shaving all those areas and you've taken your bath, the next thing you want to do is to grab a gentamicin or cortisone cream. I always keep this handy with me. You will always find this in my bathroom because, I mean, those bumps can come at any time. Even if you feel like it is infection, before you even get to the hospital, you can actually use this to help to reduce inflammation and to treat whatever it is that is causing the bumpiness in that area. Okay, so I always follow in with this, and immediately it suits the skin in that area. It takes care of those inflammations, and before the end of the day, it has all disappeared. So please, whether you are a man or a woman, you need to get yourself this. Go to a pharmacy, a good pharmacy, and tell them to recommend a good cortisone or gentamicin cream for you to use. Tell them that you want to use it for after shaving. They are going to give you the right product to use. Okay, so please, this is very, very important. The next, of course, is going to be your body lotion, regardless of whatever type that you're using. There are a lot of affordable body lotions between the prices of even 2,000 naira Nigerian naira to 10,000 naira. This is below 5,000 naira. This is the Irish Gold Carotone Extract body lotion. This is taking me literally 2 months now, so this is going to last you for 2 months. So it is not just affordable, but it is also durable. It is going to last long for you. And I like it because it is very hydrating. I'm currently filming, I mean, in the month of December, and it is the dry season or the Harmattan season, but you can literally tell that my skin is still hydrated. This is literally over 7 or 8 hours after I have taken my shower in the morning and used this, and you can see how moisturized and hydrated my skin still looks. As soon as you're done with this, the next thing of course that you want to go in with is your body oil. At this point, if you want to have a glowy skin and you do not have a body oil, what are you glowing? What is the glowing? You need a body oil. Now it could be a treatment oil or a glowing oil. If you do not have any skincare concern that you want to take care of, maybe hyperpigmentations, you want to fade dark spots on your body, or even you have some rashes, wrinkles, acne scars, any body oil that is going to help you take care of that is a treatment oil. So what you want to do is before you actually use your body lotion, you want to go in with your treatment oil first. Actually, in a previous video before this one, I already explained how you can use these two together, whether you are using a treatment body oil or a normal glowing body oil for glowing your skin. So please go and check that video out. I'm going to leave a link in the card here for you to see as soon as you're done watching this particular video. And now that we're done with taking care of the body, okay, we are going to be talking about products that you need for your face. And I particularly chose to go this way, okay, to talk about the face care products after body care, because I like to come out of the bathroom with my face particularly still feeling very fresh and, you know, still damp and moist from all those pampering that you've done from your skincare products. And the first thing, of course, I mean, when you want to take care of your face is to get a face wash, okay? And now when you're getting a face wash, you do not just get any face wash because it's affordable. You will still get face washes based on your skincare concern. If you do not have any blemish, any acne or dark spots on your face, there are very affordable face washes or soaps that you can use on your face that will just help to clean your face and keep your skin, you know, bright and moisturized. If you have oily skin like myself or you are acne prone, you can use this, okay? I think I got this for 6,000 naira. Yes, I got this for 6,000 naira, and this is the simple refreshing facial wash. As you can already see, this is what I am currently using, you guys, and it is going to help to reduce the production of oil on your skin, and it is also going to help to control any other blemish that you might have, your acne, the inflammations. It will keep your skin clean and healthy. And of course, the next thing you want to follow in with that is your serum. Now, if you have a serum, peradventure you're treating anything on your skin, maybe you have acne, you have large spots, for example. I have been able to deal with my acne, okay, constant production of acne on my face and excessive production of oil on my face since I started using salicylic acid. So I decided to incorporate a niacinamide serum. This is the Beauty Formula Illuminating Serum that contains 10% niacinamide. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. This is where your vitamin C serum comes in. This is where any other serums that you're using for your face comes in. Okay, and the reason is because they are lighter in consistency, so you want to put the lighter product on your face first so that they can also penetrate your skin directly and do what they are actually supposed to do on your skin. As soon as you're done using this and you let it dry out after 30 seconds or 1 minute, the next thing you want to go in with, which is very important, is your face moisturizer, okay, or your face lotion or your face cream, whichever you choose to call it. This is what I'm currently using as well, the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer for my face. I just love that it is not too thick. It has a smooth consistency that helps to keep my face hydrated and moisturized all through the day, you guys. I mean, can you see, you can see my face and see that my skin is actually hydrated and healthy. Ignore the acne that you can see, okay? They are aftermath of my monthly cycle as a woman or as a lady, so we cannot do without all of this. And then finally on my skincare list is a sunscreen. See, I always say that even if you don't want to use a special soap to wash your face, or you don't want to use a special cream to wash your face, always make sure that you have a sunscreen. Yes, and there are affordable ones from Dr. Rachel, regardless of what people are saying, honestly, you guys. And I think based on the feedback, okay, the terrible feedbacks that this particular brand has been getting from especially their sunscreen, they have upgraded and they've started producing these sunscreens that will also help to protect your skin, not just from the sun, but based on your skin concern, while protecting you from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. You can give this a try. I love this. This is the best Dr. Rachel sunscreen I have used in a very long time. It doesn't leave a white cast. Sorry, the only downside I think to this, as against the other Dr. Rachel sunscreens I have used is that it does not moisturize your skin as much. This is going to give you more of a mattifying look on your face. But if you want something more hydrating and moisturizing, I mean, there are other ones like Skin Aqua, Bio, is it Bio or Bio UV? There are tons of them that also come between the prices of 2,000 naira as well to 5,000 naira as well, and you get yourself a very good sunscreen. And of course, I know that I said that this is all I have, but it is always very important to note that whether you are stepping out of your house as soon as you're done with your skincare or you're just sitting down at home, you always want to use a good lip balm. This is the pineapple pop-in lip balm from Gandro. I love it. It smells so yummy. It makes me crave fruit, you guys. I love. Okay, you guys, it is what I'm currently using. Use any one. Use you can use any good lip balm. Now a lip gloss is different from a lip balm, so you can either use a lip balm or you can either use a lip balm, sorry, or you use Vaseline. And I think Vaseline already even has their own lip balm, so you can use your regular Vaseline or the one specifically produced for your lips. And of course, to bring this video to a close, remember to smell nice. Yes, as soon as you're done taking your shower, best especially as soon as you're done using your body oil, it is always good to use your perfume oils on your pulse points. These are your pulse points, you guys. Use it on your pulse points behind your ears. If you are a lady, you want to use some in between your bust area, okay, that region, so that when they give you a hug, they're gonna feel you, they're gonna embrace you. You also want to use it, I mean, my cloth is long, but you also want to apply here, okay, in your elbow. And that, my darling, brings me to the end of this video. Did you find this video helpful and interesting? Please let me know in the comment section below. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you have not already. Please share out this video. Please support this channel by joining our channel membership and clicking on that thanks button that you can see right there to support the growth of this channel. And of course, I am open to your questions. If you have any skincare related or beauty related questions that you want to ask me, please drop them in the comment section below and I will be bringing them to you immediately. Now, till I come away next time in my very next pretty video, stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that Shuga loves you. Bye.